First, remove the back cover by pushing the corners back in the direction shown by the arrows below. Nokia Lumia 735 Disassembly Stage 1. With the back cover removed, your phone will look like below. Now remove the battery from the point shown. Also remove your SIM and memory card. Nokia Lumia 735 Disassembly Stage 2. Next, remove the 9 Torx 4 size screws, circled below. Nokia Lumia 735 Disassembly Stage 3. To detach the battery compartment, push a plastic tool into the join of the housing, along the right and top edge of the phone only, as shown. Nokia Lumia 735 Disassembly Stage 4. You'll now be able to lift the battery compartment over from right to left. A ribbon cable, circled below, now needs to be disconnected. The cable has a plug and socket, push-fit, type connection, so lever up, away from the circuit board, to disconnect. With the battery compartment removed, your phone will look like below. Nokia Lumia 735 Disassembly Stage 5. The phone is now in 2, as shown below. To remove the proximity sensor, light sensor, indicated by the left arrow, carefully lift it away from the back of the screen. It's held in place with adhesive tapes, so you may need to use heat from a hairdryer to soften the adhesive first. Don't force the cable. To remove the earpiece, indicated by the right arrow, lever from the point indicated below and lift free. Nokia Lumia 735 Disassembly Stage 6. The proximity sensor and earpiece are now free. If you only want to replace the screen, you don't need to follow the guide any further. Simply attach the proximity sensor and earpiece to your new screen and reverse the whole procedure for reassembly. If you've found this disassembly guide useful, please support formimobile.co.uk and order the tools and parts you need from our site. We ship worldwide. Continue following the rest of the guide for complete disassembly of your Nokia Lumia 735. Nokia Lumia 735 Disassembly Stage 7. Continue by disconnecting the 2 cables circled below. Again, each cable has a plug and socket type connection, so lever up, away from the circuit board. To disconnect Nokia Lumia 735 Disassembly Stage 8. The camera can now be lifted free, as shown below. To remove the circuit board, first remove the screw circled below. Nokia Lumia 735 Disassembly Stage 9. Now lever back the plastic clip which holds the circuit board in place, indicated by the arrow below, then carefully lift the circuit board free. Nokia Lumia 735 Disassembly Stage 10. The circuit board is now free. If you want to remove the USB cover, indicated below, simply lift it away from the USB socket. Nokia Lumia 735 Disassembly Stage 11. The USB cover is now free. To remove the front-facing camera, disconnect the ribbon cable circled below. Again, this cable has a plug and socket type connection, so lever up, away from the circuit board, to disconnect. Nokia Lumia 735 Disassembly Stage 12. The front-facing camera is now free. Nokia Lumia 735 Disassembly Stage 13. To remove the jack socket and vibrating motor, indicated by the upper arrow, lift from the point indicated. This part is held in place with adhesive tapes, so you may need to use heat from a hairdryer to soften the adhesive before removing it. Don't force the cable. The loudspeaker, seen near the bottom of the image, can be levered free from the point indicated. Nokia Lumia 735 Disassembly Stage 14. The jack socket, vibrating motor and loudspeaker are now free. To remove the camera flash, push at the point indicated below and the flash will fall out. The camera flash has been removed. Disassembly is now complete. Reverse the whole procedure for reassembly. If you've found this disassembly guide useful, please support formimobile.co.uk and order the tools and parts you need from our site. We ship worldwide.